Hey everyone, welcome back to Kotlin with Compose, your go-to channel for everything Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. Today we are diving into a crucial topic, the lifecycle in Jetpack Compose. Understanding the lifecycle is key to building robust and efficient Compose application. So let's get started. In traditional Android view, we had well-defined lifecycle methods like onCreate, onStart, and onDestroy. But with Jetpack Compose, things are a bit different. We don't have these explicit lifecycle methods. Instead, Compose handles the lifecycle internally and offers us a new way to manage it. Jetpack Compose is designed to be lifecycle aware. It automatically manages recomposition and ensures UI updates are efficient and consistent. Here are some key concepts to understand. Compositions. This is where your UI is created, composable functions are called, and the initial UI tree is built. Initial composition. The first time your composable are called and your UI is created. Recomposition is the process where Compose reruns composable function to update the UI. It happens automatically when state changes. DisposableEffect is used to perform side effects that cleanups like registering a broadcast receiver. It runs a lambda on entering the composition and another on leaving the composition. LaunchedEffect is used to launch coroutines in the scope of composable. It automatically cancels and restarts when the key is provided changes. Now let's look at some code examples to make this concept clearer. Let's first talk about the recomposition. You can pause the video and have a look at the code snippet. In this simple example, the greeting composable will recompose whenever its name parameter changes. Now pause the video and let's look for the DisposableEffect. Here, DisposableEffect ensures the broadcast receiver is registered when the composable enters the composition and unregistered when it leaves. Now let's talk about the LaunchedEffect. In this example, LaunchedEffect launches a coroutine to fetch data from the network when the composable is first composed. Jetpack Compose integrates smoothly with the Android lifecycle. For instance, you can use lifecycle-aware components like ViewModel and LiveData to manage your UI state efficiently. Let's look at the code snippet. In this code snippet, observe as state converts LiveData to a composed state, making it easy to react to change in the LiveData. So here we can conclude that understanding and managing the lifecycle in Jetpack Compose is essential for building efficient and responsive applications. Make sure to explore these concepts further and apply them in your project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Kotlin with Compose for more tutorials and tips. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in next. Thanks for watching and happy coding!